What is up, everyone? It's been so long since I've been live, and I'm just kind of making sure I'm live because I don't forgot how to go live. Forgot how to make a YouTube video, and it's been on in a week. You're probably like, man, why he ain't been on? Why he ain't been on? He must have lost all his money. Nah, I just been busy. I just been busy doing other things, and I'm gonna probably make some videos on that as well. But we'll keep it stock market today. Oh man, I don't know how to call it. I this rally right here, I missed it. Yep, I I did videos in the past where I was like, I got to catch these rallies, and here we go. It's like the same video. All I gotta do is one. I'm just so focused that the market's going down. I just don't like the the horizon, the storm clouds, everything. You can just name it, and the market's just going right against it. But it's still kind of in a downtrend in a way. Right here, these highs, it needs to beat these highs right there, right? Right here, and it's not quite there yet. Otherwise, all of this trading is just chop, So right now it's chopping to the upside, and I happen to be short, so it's pretty painful. Am I centered? Yeah, there we go. It's pretty painful, but I'm just gonna head and keep my positions on and fight the pain until we get above there. Then I'll probably bail, and then you know what will happen. I bail, and then market stocks go down. I'll probably bail for no trade. Okay, it's just too much for me. So this move right here, if you remember, I got out of my long-term holdings. I caught that. I totally caught that move, man. So I did catch that move to the downside because I was playing the downside, but such a strong move. I caught some of this right here. This is the hourly chart, by the way, in the SPY. And this move I didn't catch, and then this move I didn't catch. Matter of fact, I think I might have got long somewhere in here. Something where I just messed up in this move right here. And then this move I got short again, thinking, it was gonna, and then it's just rallying straight up. We're not even catching a pullback. Probably, I think I got short really right in here. I think on this gap up. I think I was a little short here on this gap up, a lot short, and straight up. So what do you do? I don't want to do any iron condors. I think Double D in the comments. I think it was you. If it's not you, I'm sorry. I got the name wrong. But if you do iron condors in this kind of market, it just rips. One of your sides are going to get blown out. Right now, I'll be blowing out the call sides. And, tomorrow, it goes down harder than it goes up. Tomorrow it could blow out your put side or whatever. So I don't want to mess with that. I don't really want to call the day to day. And this is why I'm sticking firm in my positions. It's not how I trade. And everything has been good once this volatility. I always said I hated volatility. It was like, I hate volatility. I just can't trade it, and I gotta recognize that with myself and just kind of sit on the sidelines. It's funny because I do it with my long portfolio. As soon as volatility comes out, I sell everything and I just sit in cash. And if I could put reverse positions on to go short, I do it. And those trade well. But when I'm kind of in and out, this portfolio, I don't do that well. So it's just not my game. It's like, so let me go to the daily chart or the weekly. I like to just pick long-term directions and just, do my leap thing, and it works, But right now, my long-term, where I see things long-term, is just down. So I'm not doing my long-term leaps or anything, and I'm doing maybe 60-day puts and put spreads and thinking it's just going to go down, especially we are in the worst months of the year. I mean, just so many things just are happening right now, and the stock market is really going against it. So it makes me think we're going to just rip, but I just can't see us going on all-time highs. But, if it does, it does. Usually that's it. If I come out, or if I just take a position on the side, and if the market reaches all-time highs, then it got me. I'm totally wrong. and I'll just go long as much as I bite my teeth. I'll just go with it. You know what I mean? So, but you can see it came down, and almost doji like candles, indecisions, and here we are. It's a weekly. It's like gap up, I guess, and so we kind of not out of the woods. Once it breaks these big candles right here, then we might be talking. Maybe you can make a run for that high, but it didn't do it yet, So this can wind up being one of these candles right here again. So Friday, I think the Fed speaks, So there's some things happening this week where the jittery can come back in the market, but everybody thinking it's okay. Trump can just tweet, tap, whatever. I don't even know. I'm so confused. There's so much, Hong Kong, all the riots over there, whatever was happening, it just seems to just fade away. I don't even know how they resolved that. It's just weird. So that's what I've been doing. So there was really nothing to talk about because I was just short, or had my put spreads out in October. I'm just kind of just riding it out. And like I said, I did real well. Oh, man. Gosh. I had opened up my portfolio, looked at my balances. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, oh, shoot. And I had puts. I had straight puts. I wind up spreading them. This was a big mistake because it was up so huge. I was so focused. So, and I don't even know where I got the number from, that we was coming down here. Okay, I'm like, oh man, this move is just beginning. So I sold some spreads, but what I should have done was just took the positions off, and that's what kind of got me. I should have just took the positions off. So I'm saying this to myself, Andre. Take those positions off when you have huge gains ahead, and so I sold it, which was a thing to do. And then it went back up, and then I wound up buying it back after I made a lot of money on the put side that I sold. Wait a minute, sold? Yeah, but yeah, so, but it just kept going straight up. And generally, I'm pretty successful with that maneuver. But right here, man, it's just been going straight up, gap up, gap up. It's just unbelievable. There's no pullback whatsoever. And who says stocks don't, I can't even think of it. Stocks don't crash up. Well, we crashing up right now. This is a crash up, I guess maybe this move shouldn't happen. I don't know. But the volatility is crazy. And this volatility, when it increases, you got volatility to the upside as well. So it doesn't always mean down. Generally, when volatility increases, stocks do go down. But, oh, man, you're going to have your killer rallies. And I see it going down still. Down, man, I don't see it going down there. At least this low. I don't know. I just see it slowly, kind of like a 2000 kind of thing. I don't think my charts go that far back. But, I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, I just don't see it going high. I forgot what I was going to say. Damn it. Yeah, we didn't even, when you look at this monthly, we didn't even budge for the most part. It's almost plateauing, and well, no, we was high over here. But if you would just say, this is a monthly, just call that, it just peaked its head above. If we were to break out here, it sounds silly, it looks like could be a lot of pressure going to the upside. And maybe that's the blow off top or whatever. And that's why I'm saying, so if we get it to a new high, I'll just be wrong. I didn't miss anything. Well, all this up, down, 400. I didn't miss anything. Up 400A, down. Oh man, last week was crazy. How could you trade? Nobody's making money. It's too crazy. Up, down. So we're waiting. The bulls are waiting for that up move. The bears are waiting for, we waiting for, pick a direction so we can trade it. And it just doesn't. But lately, last week, its pick a direction is up. It's just going up. Anyway, so what's up with y'all? How you been trading? Sorry I haven't been on. Okay, like I said, I've been busy. And and like I haven't been doing anything, just holding on to my short positions, just thinking like, damn, when am I gonna get out of here? Can I get a can we go down so I can think about it? No, and remember these bulls, you know, the markets when it's ripping like that, they find a way to keep you in. They don't let the shorts get out, and they don't let the bulls get in. Because people that want to buy it, man, they want to buy it, but damn it, oh shoot, they wake up, it's up 300 up points. They don't want to buy it up 300. They don't be like, oh, I'll go down tomorrow. Nope, it's up another 300 up. I'll go down tomorrow. Nope, it's up another 400. So it doesn't get new buyers in. Shorts can't get out because we all waiting for a little pullback, you know, and there's just none. There's just no pullback to be found. Here's a 30-minute chart from the low. Look at it. That's your pullback. I don't know what that is. I think that's a bad tick. Just sideways. Sideways is the new pullback. Sideways is the new pullback. So let me see. Up here to there. It's a 4% rally. I got in 3 days. Up 4%. It's crazy on the SPX or SPY. So that's what I've been trading. So yeah, let me know. Put it in the comments. Or in the video, hey, comment. I'm live, and we talk about what you're doing. So we could look at the NASDAQ, really, you know, we look at some charts. NASDAQ, yeah, there's the magical high right there. So I'm looking at that. Let's pull up the hourly. You know, bulls win, in my opinion, when they beat that line. There it is, and they're almost right there. The way it's been traded, I don't even see why wouldn't they not beat that line. Looks like, you know, if it hangs out here tomorrow, just gaps above it, you know, and then boom, then more bulls are gonna come in, you know, because that, I'm telling you, a lot of other people's like, oh man, that's the line in the sand. People's gonna start buying, the shorts are gonna start covering, more buyers gonna drop, and it's just gonna go up to new highs. And what is this, August 19th? Yeah, it's the time of year where stocks just don't really do well, you know. So that's what's happening. It's getting there. It's getting there. I think the was it the semiconductors? Is that the SMH? Look at that. They're down, but it's like, you know, it's knocking on that resistance door, and once it breaks through, you know, maybe that takes the NASDAQ up in a way. But look, if you know, you look at that just looks weak right there. Just looks weak, you know. So you know, a little down, indecision, starting, and then maybe another leg lower. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Anything can happen, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. So go ahead and put your comments below. In the next video, we'll talk about it. Thank you for watching this video, and go ahead and thumbs up, like, subscribe. You know the deal. You know the deal. Get down with that, and hopefully your trades is working out well. Mine are only going to be working out once it starts going down, and I don't even know what the sentiment is. If more people or do they think it's going to go up, or do they think, I don't even know. But I know right now, temporarily, this market's overbought, you know, for the last, and so I don't know. I just don't know, man. It's just crazy when it's like that, you know. I have no idea, but I guess it's going up, but I think eventually it makes the leg lower. So I guess it's going up because it's the momentum. I mean, three days of up. Why not 4? But you see that? It's just chopping in there. All of this in there is just chop. Do. But it's making a play. See, it's making a play for that. Wait a minute. Hold on here. What is this? Oh, the SMH. That's weird. It already broke out of that high. That is very interesting. Let me see something here. This is the Russell. And I guess the Russell was all over the place. Then, yeah, I guess right here. And then maybe a little something off. Little something off of that candle. So the Russell has a little longer way to go. It's up 1.5% today. It's a lead. I think it was up Friday huge. Well, the NASDAQ's up 174. 1.74. The Dow's up 1.15. So here it is again. Here's the same thing. There's the line in the sand. Like to see these get above that for me to be, getting out of the positions and stuff like that. So, all right. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is Dre. We're talking stocks, and I appreciate you. Leave a comment. Like I said, we talk about it. Dre, I'm out. Peace.